Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for August 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So meron tayong promo sa tarot reading services. 20% discount from July 16 to 31. Ayan. So, limited slots lang yan. Mag-book na kayo. Let's see what's the energy for Pisces. Pisces. Okay, so this is the overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and the blessing. Uy. In fairness, Pisces, mukhang maganda ang energy for you ngayong August, especially pagdating sa kaperahan ninyo. Sa bottom of the deck, 8 of Pentacles, you're going to be busy working a lot of things. Pwedeng may pag-aaral, pwedeng may training sa trabaho, pwedeng sarili mong research, meron kang personal projects, and meron kami na master na craft, no? You have the Knight of Wands, so pwede ring may kinalaman to sa travel abroad, or finally, meron ka ng sisimulan na proyekto mo na matagal mo nang iniisip or pinaplano na ngayon mo na magagawa. Yes, the Fool. The Fool is about taking a leap of faith. So, ikaw ay nagtitake na rin ng risks. Kasi pwedeng nung una, hindi ka sigurado, no? Yung parang, nag-aalinlangan ka kasi maaring iba yung focus ng attention mo. So now, ngayong August, mababaling na yung attention mo doon sa talagang goals mo. So magsiset ka ng goals and you're going to plan ahead, no? With the Emperor here, Page of Swords. Kumbaga paghahandaan mo talaga to. Ano man tong susubukan mo. More on personal projects or business ang nakikita ko para sa inyo kung mahilig kayo magnegosyo. Creative projects din. So, overall energy is the Empress. So, pwedeng literal na buntis yung iba sa inyo or maaring may pregnancy. Malalaman nyo na kayo ay baka mabubuntis yung iba sa inyo ngayong August. This is also about abundance. So, meron kang abundance mindset ngayon. Well, Pisces is ruled by Jupiter as well. So, creativity of, abundance and creativity. So, marami kang mga ideas ngayon na maaring sisimulan mo talagang isa sa katuparan mo. With the Knight of Pentacles, may mga bagay kasi na minamadali ka. So, kapag minamadali ang isang bagay, pwedeng ma-frustrate ka at ma-stress. So, kumbaga, kalmahan mo lang. Slowly but surely, one step at a time. With the Nine of Swords, this is your opportunity. Opportunity mo na ayusin yung tulog mo. Lalo na kung yung iba sa inyo ay madalas puyat or merong sleep issues. Kumbaga merong insomnia. Ayan. So, meron kang opportunity na ayusin yung sleeping patterns mo finally. Magkakaroon ng magagawan mo na yan ng paraan. Ayan. So, with your blessing, you have the Nine of Pentacles. Financial stability, financial security. Yung iba sa inyo, you are independent, no? Meron magkakaroon ng financial independent. Maaring magiging self-employed ka or currently ngayon, you are earning on your own. Wala kang boss. So, yan yung source of income mo, yung creative talents and creative skills mo or a business na nasimulan mo na before. Let's see your kaperahan. Money, career, finances for Pisces. You have the Two of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Okay. So, I think finally you will decide na makakapili ka na, makakapag-decision ka na kung saan ka magpo-focus. Kasi, pwedeng marami kang options or sources of income na parang pinagsasabay-sabayan mo, tapos ang ending, wala ka natatapos. So, ngayong August, finally, you will organize things, pag-aaralan mo yung iyong, kumbaga pag-aaralan mo yung data, yung mga information na kailangan mong malaman para ma-realize mo kung saan mas worth it na magbigay ng efforts. Halimbawa, nagnenegosyo ka and at the same time meron ka rin trabaho, tapos may sideline ka pa. So ngayon, tinitingnan mo, aaralin mo kung alin ba doon yung worth it or worth your time. Na baka mas malaki yung kinikita mo sa business mo pero nasasayang yung oras mo or you are spending a lot of time sa work like 8 hours. Yung kinikita mo ng 8 hours, kinikita mo ng 2 oras lang sa business mo, 'di ba? So you may have that kind of decision to finally choose kung alin yung magiging priorities mo. So sa love life naman, for Pisces. Uy, okay. You have the Queen of Cups, the Lovers, and the Eight of Cups. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, meron kayong, may person, significant other, or person sa buhay mo na gusto mo siya, pero you feel like kailangan mo siyang palayain or iwanan. Pwede itong reversal yung role. Pwedeng ikaw to na mahal ka naman ng person mo pero kailangang umalis siya. Oo, pwede rin naman tong hindi naman separation kaya siya aalis, no? Hindi naman yung dahilan. Pwedeng mag-a-abroad yung person mo. So, somehow, it's going to be a bit dramatic for you to experience yung ganong situation. But if you are in a relationship with someone, pwedeng meron kasi ritong forbidden love, no? Yung maaring yung relationship niyo sa ngayon ay hindi pa ayon sa mga plano ng bawat isa na kailangan niyo munang ipagpaliban. And if you are if you are single, maaring someone is manifesting you na magkaroon ng romantic connection sa'yo. But I feel like hindi ka ready for that. Umiiwas ka. Dog. Book. Dog is energy ng best friend. So, maaring you will spend time with your best friend or meron ka makikilala na kaibigan na maituturing mo na best friend in the long run. You also have book which is about learning. So, like what I mentioned kanina, kung na-mention ko man yun kanina, pwedeng may pag-aaral, meron kang i-research, meron kang mga interest ngayon na gusto mo pang palawakin yung kaalaman mo doon na alam mong pwede mo siyang magamit sa mga susunod mong mga pangarap talaga. Mga susunod mong projects. Meron ka ring problema na masusolusyonan. Finally. You have the ring. So, this is pagpasok sa isang commitment. So, yung iba sa inyo, papasok kayo sa isang relationship or pwedeng romantic relationship or business partnership. Or ito ay commitment mo sa sarili mo na kung ano man yung gusto mong ma-achieve, maabot, marating, yung pangarap mo is iko-commit mo yung sarili mo para you will always show up for your goals or for your dreams. You are going to receive what you need. Oh, wow. Some of you may moving on. You are moving on from a situation that is no longer serving you. You are healing, okay? Lalo na't kung alam mo na parang hindi mo din i-deserve yung sitwasyon na yan. So you are moving on and healing from that. Yes, kasi you are finally moving towards your happiness. Na doon ka mas magkakaroon ng fulfillment. Fulfillment sa iyong mga pangarap. Some of you merong pwedeng unexpected na bakasyon sa isang place na Ah, para siyang beach, ganyan. Yung setting niya, beach. Specifically Boracay, o 'di ba? Inspiration, oh, you are inspired to do your plans. Maari ring ano, merong person sa buhay niyo na very supportive of your goals. Yung iba naman, you are inspired to finally commit yourself. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang hirap na mag-commit sa isang bagay na gusto mo dahil may mga times na hindi umaayon yung sitwasyon sa'yo. Tapos yung iba nag-give up na. So for some of you, you're going to be more determined kasi mas inspired ka sa nangyayari sa paligid mo, and even yung mga taong nakikilala mo at nakakasalamuha mo ay inspiring din. Uy, fertility, Pisces, may pregnancy talaga. So kung hindi yan, kung hindi nyo plano yan, mag-ingat, no? But if that is your plan, then go. Push. Fertility is also about pagiging productive. So, yeah, naging very busy ka. Maaring meron ka ring iha-harvest na literal na ako nagtatanim ka. Merong harvest kung meron kang farm, or this can also mean yung mga nasimulan mo a few days or a few months ago. So, meron na siyang resulta ngayon and you're going to gain the results. Yung iba sa inyo nagma-manifest ng love. Love, love, love. Na syempre, you have to ready yourself. Kasi sa relationship, ano yan eh, kung hindi ka man handa, at least aware ka sa mga possibilities or mga expectations, responsibilities pagdating sa relasyon. Uncover the DT within. Wow. So parang ano, ikaw ay you are bringing out the best in you. Puwedeng ikaw ay mag-i-improve ng iyong physical looks, or you will gain a lot of confidence na magiging advantage para sa'yo. Dahil the more na confident ka, mas nagiging mabilis na ma-achieve yung mga goals mo kasi naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, 'di ba? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.